What's up, guys? How's everybody out there doing tonight? I hope everyone had a wonderful day today. It's time for random hobby pack opening round 47. Basically, I go to the my local card shop, get some packs, and open them up. So let's go through the lineup for this month. We got some 2021 Prestige Hobby Hybrid. We have Elite, Donruss Elite 2021. We have some 2021 Certified. I think there was half a box left, and I picked the first 4 packs. Picked 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll see how that goes. We got some 2013 Prism. We got 5 packs of that. Tom Brady's Silver would be a huge card out of that 2013 Prism. Donruss 2021, 5 packs. Oops. We have an Absolute mini box. So this is one of 3 boxes that come in the master box. I have a box of this 2013 Limited. Now this was pretty cheap, so I decided to add it. I think I'd more so be looking for just like a vet game used patch out of here. I think would be cool. Not too crazy much that you could pull for RPAs in 2013, but either way. And we're going to close it out with 2 packs of 2020 Select Hobby. So let's get into it right away. We're going to start with the 2013 Prism because I'm awfully excited about this. Let's go. And I got my son, David, with me tonight. What are we looking for tonight, David? David cards. We want some David cards tonight. Sam Bradford, Tyrann Mathieu rookie, Tavon Austin, all right, there's a Brian, Patrick Peterson Brilliance, Kenny Stills rookie, and EJ Manuel. Got a silver. Our silver is... Well, sorry about that. My camera flipped off the stand. So Cam Newton silver. Back in Carolina. DeAndre Hopkins rookie. Nice. Kendall Wright, Doug Martin, Matthew Stafford, Ryan Otten, rookie, Terrence Williams. And final pack of this, we got 1 silver so far. Let's see if we can get another one, or an auto or something. Sean Jackson, PAP, Tom Brady, Monday Night Heroes, and a Giovanni Bernard rookie with a Marcus Lattimore. All right. Not too crazy out of the Prism, but let's switch it up to 2021 and do some Donruss. All right. David's looking for some Davids, so let's see what we can find here. Ryan Jordan, Brady, career passing touchdowns, Trey Sermon portrait, and Nick Chubb, Aaron Stinney. Okay. All right, let's see here. Got a numbered rated rookie in here. James Conner, Joe Burrow. We got a Trayvon Morig, and our numbered rated rookie is going to be Pete Werner. I thought it was going to be him once I saw the gold. Alvin Kamara and Steve Largent. All right, let's see if we can pull the auto out of here. Johnson, Julio Jones, Joseph Osai, Bateman. Nice looking Herbert. Power formulas, I like those. Bo Jackson. DK Metcalf, Rondale Moore rated rookie, a red Simi Fehoko, Tua, and final pack of Donruss. Hasn't been the greatest so far, but we got one pack left to kind of turn it around. We might have our no name in here. Rodgers and Tua, Elijah Mitchell rated rookie, and this is going to be David Montgomery. Yay. We got a David, and it's a no name, so this is one per hobby box. No name premium foil. So we'll put that in a sleeve for you, buddy.
Once I saw the 32, I knew it was David Montgomery.
Yeah, there you go. We got one David so far. Sweet. Najee Harris and Charles Woodson. All right, so that's going to do it for Donruss. Let's do Prestige. Let's get this going. See if maybe we can pull a numbered Heroes. That would be cool. One of those, whatever the heck those things are. Season's Greetings. That would be cool as well. Trey McKitty, Jalen Phillips out of 199. Jarvis Landry. He hasn't been on the Dolphins in a while. Bolton and Stevenson. All right, let's see here. Chase Winovich is going to be our Galaxy. Out of 249, Allen Robinson. Jamal Adams, Youth Movement, T. Higgins. Najee. All right, Kelsey, Chase. Jalen Camp is going to be our Galaxy out of this one. Out of 199, Brian Burns. A.J. Brown, one of these franchise favorites. T.J. Watt, Seth Williams, and Kelvin Joseph. Nothing too crazy so far. Still got a lot of stuff left, though. Alvin Kamara. Aaron Donald out of 149. Plaxico Burress. Burrow, Hawkins, and Stokes. All right, final pack of this. Let's see. Robbie Anderson. Justin Jefferson. Laramie Tunzel. Living Legends. Andre Reed out of 149. That's a slick looking card. Foil on there looks cool. Dalvin Cook got some touchdowns against the Packers. Tippett, Darden, and Elijah Vera Tucker. All right. Nothing crazy out of that, but let's do certified. So there's 5 packs left in the box. Grab 4 of them, and let's see what's in there. All right, Gronkowski. Have a Hopkins out of 249. Oh, JT 2021 insert. Okay, that's nice. Stafford and Eckler. This one's thick, so this could be a filler or a jersey card or something. Okay, I think it is a jersey card. Tyson Campbell. Oh no, maybe that's an autograph. It's one of those super thick autographs. Out of 50, Tyson Campbell rookie auto. Yeah, it's crazy with certified. They make some of their autos like super thick. So, Devin White gold team. Lock, Brandon Ayuk. Rager, Joe Mixon. Prescott, Thomas, and Judy. And the last pack, I think, might be a little thicker too, but it could be a filler, so it is. Trey McKitty out of something. $3.99. Filler card. Tyreek Hill and Jimmy Garoppolo and Amari Cooper. All right. All right, I think we're on to Elite. Well, at least I know we're going to get something out of the Absolute, because it hasn't really been too great so far. Sometimes this is how it goes, though. Just never know. Dylan Moses, Dylon, out of 399. No, only one David so far, eh? Yeah, it's a good one, though. The no-name one's a good parallel. Ooh, this one's going to be out of 49, I think. Yep. All right. 49 for the Jets, Quinnen Williams. Super cool looking parallels. Adams and Chubb. Devin White. I mean, Matt Ryan out of 98. Aspirations. Dawkins and Julio. DJ Moore, Spellbound out of 349. Peyton Manning, the G. Young and Namath. And we got one more pack to maybe pull an auto. Maybe not. We're not going to. It's going to be A.J. Brown Elite deck. Bosa and Ridley. Eesh. So it hasn't been that great so far, you guys. All right, so we got 2021 Absolute Mini Box. We have 2 select packs, 2020, and this box of 2013 Limited that we're going to open right now because, yeah, I think it's about that time. Open some 2013 Limited. See how these cards fared over the last 9-ish years. Okay. I don't know if we got 2. Okay. We got 2 Danny Amendola out of 399 and Michael Vick out of 399. Then we have a Jeff Toole rookie out of 299. This is cool. Tyler Eifert out of 99, 3-color patch, rookie patch. Event worn. Deshaun Jackson out of 99. Hoping this one's game used. Yep, the enclosed game worn material. So that's one cool thing about getting some older stuff. Check this out. Rookie Honey Badger Tyrann Mathieu out of 25. Sick. 12 of 25. Nice card. Oh, please tell me this is game used. Limited threads. Peyton Manning out of 99. Game worn material. Sick. That's cool. Good stuff. Oh, I guess I had one other base card down here. It was Michael Rivera out of 299. Cool. Well, hey, that was a pretty decent box considering it was a 2013 box and we had many, many, many players that were busts at that point. Or at this point, I should say. All right, we're going to do our Absolute Mini Box. This is the last one on the shelf out of this box, so I don't know what's left in here. Well, the insert's left in here, obviously. Let's see. I don't know if it's going to be insert and auto in here. Could very well be. But we'll see. Hey, look at that. Who is that, David?
David Montgomery.
David Montgomery. There you go. You got another one, dude. Check out how thick that card is. Pretty sweet, eh? Russell Wilson. We have a Marquez Stevenson out of 250. Oh, this next card is going to be cool. Oh, it's a dual. Marv Levy and Thurman Thomas dual auto out of 10. Oh, holy cow. Look at that thing. Historical duels. That's pretty sweet, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, that's awesome. That's the best card we pulled tonight. For sure. That's sweet. Good stuff, man. And Rashad Bateman's going to be our insert. It is out of 75. By Storm. All right, everybody. Down to our final thing for this random hobby pack opening, which is 2 packs of 2020 Select Hobby. These things are expensive. Sometimes you get a pack full of base, and other times you get something crazy, crazy good. So, all right, Jordan Love rookie. Kyler Murray. Silver Aaron Rodgers snapshots.
That's funny. The front of the pack has the Aaron Rodgers on it, and we got Aaron Rodgers card.
Wouldn't you know? Crazy, dude. All right, then we got a Jerry Silver, and a Patrick Willis. All right, final pack of this random hobby pack opening. Let's see what happens. Denzel Mims, Dwayne Haskins, Julio Jones, Silver, Peyton Manning, and Cesar Ruiz. So nothing crazy out of the select, but a couple of game used jersey cards which were cool, and I think probably the most unique / coolest hit would be the Levy Thurman Thomas. Very cool. I like that. So hopefully you all enjoyed yourself tonight. That is going to do it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll be back with another video soon.